In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell books on your website using Shopify and the Lulu app. If you're an author or publisher looking to streamline your distribution and enhance your online presence, integrating Lulu with your Shopify store is a great step. Let's dive into the process, ensuring you have everything set up smoothly. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, direct your attention to the left panel, where you'll see an option that says Apps. This section is essentially where all the magic happens when it comes to enhancing the functionality of your Shopify store. Click on Apps and a world of possibilities opens up for you. In this app section, you'll find a search bar. Simply type in Lulu to locate the app. Lulu is a fantastic tool that specializes in helping authors publish and distribute their works, making it the perfect companion for your book-selling journey on Shopify. Once you've typed in Lulu, you should see it appear in the search results. Click on it to be redirected to its app page. This is where you can get detailed information about what the app offers and how it can benefit your business. But we're here to get things set up, so you're going to click on the Install button right there on that page. Clicking Install prompts Shopify to integrate Lulu into your store. You'll need to confirm the installation, so just follow the on-screen prompts. Ensure you agree to any terms if prompted, because this will allow you to take full advantage of everything Lulu can offer. Once you've confirmed, the installation process will only take a moment, thanks to Shopify's streamlined system. It's designed to be straightforward and hassle-free, so you won't face any difficulties. After the installation is complete, the app will automatically open on your Shopify dashboard, linking the two platforms. From here, you'll need to log in using your Lulu account credentials. If you don't have a Lulu account yet, you should head over to Lulu's website and create one beforehand. This account is where you'll coordinate orders and manage the details of your book distribution. And that's all there is to it. You've just integrated Lulu with your Shopify store. Now you're set to start selling your books directly from your website, reaching your audience efficiently and effectively. With this setup, managing your book sales becomes a breeze, allowing you to focus more on what you do best: writing and sharing your stories with the world. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful tutorials like this one. See you next time.